Morning, kids. So, already you know what is the day today. Subhash Chandra Bose is not a individual. He is a strength of India. He is not only a freedom fighter, he is an inspiration for the freedom movement. So, what he is, just Asha ma'am and Srushti gave all the introduction of him. Just I will say two sentences about him. He just from the childhood he was very religious, means by his mother, and he fled into or he get into the freedom movement by inspiring by the Bhagavad Gita, the holy book of Hinduism. He inspired by the Bhagavad Gita, and in his freedom movement he followed the ideals of the Bhagavad Gita. And in those days, while we are striving here for the freedom, he fled to or he approached German dictator, that is Hitler, for the support for freedom movement of India. He got the support after he returned to India, but the thing is, we got the support from the outsider, but he didn't got the support. He didn't get the support in among us. Indians only opposed him. But see, many a times we face oppositions, but still he fled like a phoenix. He took a birth from the ashes, and he built the national parties at Andaman, and so till today he is an inspiration to all the younger generation. We are the citizen of the India. We freedom is not a gift by the Britishers. It is the result of the strive what our ancestors did. So our responsibility is to maintain that freedom. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕದಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವೇಚ್ಛೆಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶನ ನಾವು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್, ಆಸ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೋ, ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟೀಸ್, the ideals of our national leaders is, when we follow the fundamental duties, it really matters a lot. So we have to take an oath today. Just all of you should bond to our fundamental duties, that giving a respect to our national symbols, and respecting our national leaders, respecting the ideals of the freedom movement, and following the minimum duties and protecting the nature of the country. So bond to the national fundamental duties and respect our national leader like Netaji. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.